Hello, good night. Present. My favorite song is the I Will Love You. Good night. My name is Valentina Hernandez. You are, I am 21 years old. You study and where you stood. I had tenure degree in the administration management and in the branch of the student here administration is compensation. Your profession and what you work. I am a student customer service assistant and work in the company and the work health IT. Andrés Cepeda se dio en Bogotá, julio 7, 1973. Is a Colombian singer, composer, and actor known for in the romantic song Andrés Cepeda Munchin History Combined Divided into Part. For Understand Poligamia, 1989-1998, a rock group from Bogotá that managed to the composition several songs on the national radio that became classic shows as the version. The romantic folk song featured the collaboration of the Colombian duo Cari y El Dance. Both developed their comfort zone in the urban home for a moment tune and love story and going to love you tell the story of the you come on it separate the you to eventually would several years later may again resume their relations. The video was recorded in the city of the Bogota and in the Bay of the Park in the municipality of the Suezca in Cundinamarca, Asunción y Colombia. The next album contains the song with different subreddit moves in the tides of the poem which is a very tone pop. There is variant the French tropical show of the Caribbean born when mighty the life of the story of the rare romantic. This is album that is called and reward a column of the question and the composition album the production. Concert. Your honor is the music as the part of the bicentennial celebration and Andrés Cepeda Open Day Ibero-American Congress of the Culture to hear with the Argentine Banoy Master Rodolfo Menores and the Choice 23 Cheer Perform Canción con Todos. AIS 2011 Consolation is International Tour. To read the year is concert without capacity where Libby is Venezuela, Ecuador, Dominican Republic, New York, Miami, and London. In Colombia, he band is the tour vivo en directo which can resume Sudan is the several cities in the Colombia, such as Barranquilla, Medellin, and Bogota. May in October had received two nominations for the show award in Colombia, as was David Lee for its production and performance master vivo en directo of the show Artist of the Car. Thank you.